Hey guys, I'm Sherry with Mother and Daughter Crafting, and today I'm working on our vintage truck. I'm going to do the summer version. So this is for the back of the truck, and they are watermelons. The first layer I use pistachio. I'm using pistachio also for the base of the truck along with pesto, and I'm going to do an ombre effect on that. I put the pesto on the bottom and the pistachio on top. So I'm kind of just chalking this with my squeegee, putting the chalk towards the middle, and then take it and spread it out, smooth it, take off the excess, but leave it a little bit thicker in the middle. And then I'll take my finger and blend that in, kind of bringing the lighter color up to the darker color. And there it is. Looks good, right? Okay, now for the main part of the truck. It's 2 layers. So the first layer, I am going to use black and going to use copper, shimmer copper. So I'm smoothing out the transfer. Got to get rid of all the bubbles. And I'm going to stir the paste and put it on. Now the black is going over most of it. The shimmer copper is going to go on the back of the truck on the wood part. Now this is what the fun part of this is. You can custom this to any colors you will like. And you do know we can mix colors too. Works out really good. I do it all the time. So here I am just squeegeeing on the chalk paste, smoothing it out, taking off the excess, put it back in the jar, smoothing my lines, making sure everything's covered. Being careful that I don't get the 2 colors mixed up. Of course, I'm okay with it. It is a vintage truck, but I'm trying my best to keep them separate. Now just pull it on the straight edge, straight up. First layer is success. Now let's go to the second. Now I'm working on the, I'm waxing all of this. It just makes it more set. And you want to wax the first layer before you put the second on. It just really works well for me. And buff it in just a little bit. Don't you love these cutouts? They're so cool. All right, now I'm gonna get ready to do the second layers. Now the watermelon first. I'm going to use pesto this time for the second layer. Same as always, put it on, take off the excess, put it back in your jar. There it is. Now you can tell they're watermelon. All right, now for the truck, the second layer. It's really easy to line up. You can see right through it. There's a lot of open netting there. And of course, make sure you don't have any bubbles in there. Nice and smooth before you put the paste on. Take the squeegee, just cover all of the netting, and smooth out your lines, put the excess back in the jar. Pull it up in the straight edge, and there it is. I think that truck is good for all seasons, all year round. Put the watermelon in the back, and we're all set to go. Then I took my VW, put it in the back too. Love it.